What's up, guys? It's your boy Tochi, and in today's video, I'm going to show you people a forecast of what I'm expecting on gold. Yeah, I just started this newly. I'll be doing it on most of the pairs. I'll be trading. Yeah, so this is just a forecast of what I'm expecting on gold. The way I do with my students. Yeah. So now, if you should look clearly from the 4 hours time frame where we identify as a day trader, where we identify a main trend, you use 1 hour for the current trend and 15 minutes as an entry time frame. So if you look clearly, the main trend here is downward move, right? It's a downward move here. So if we should adjust it to touch properly, we could see that it's in a down move. First touch here, second touch, and it must have at least 2 touches, that is 2 peaks or trough, to be a valid trend line. So it's valid here, first here, second here, touch. So what we should look for, because the main trend is not telling us that the overall trend line is the overall trend of the market is a downtrend. Yeah. So dive deeper. Let's dive deeper. So now we've seen the trend direction of the market. Yeah. If we should look from here, the lowest point where the market, the recent low here is here, right? It's at this level here. So if I should mark it out, the recent low is here. So on norms, we should be expecting a touch from this level, now this current level where it is, to this level, then fall. But at the same time, if you should go down to the 1 hour time frame, you will see that there is a recent low again here. So let me adjust this one to take it a little bit big, up to this level. Let's bring it down to touch. If you should look down, you see a zone here too, the recent low where the market created here from the 1 hour time frame here. And now let's shrink the chart a little bit. Let me go to the 4 hours to adjust it to see if it's really valid. Now, if you see this zone here, if you should adjust it now down to this level, you will see why I said it's valid. Now you see this level. Recent, the market do test this level very strongly. You see this touch here, and on the 1 hour time frame, there is a zone there. So we should extend it now. You see it crosses this trend line too. So apart from this one here, there is another sensitive zone here from the 1 hour time frame. Yeah, this is it here. So this level here, and you see it's a level 2 again. It's a strong zone here. So now remember, it's a downtrend, so we should be looking for more of sales here to ride with the trend. We are not supposed to trade against the trend, so we should be looking for sales. So we are looking for a zone whereby we should look for a sell. Yeah. So if you go to our entry time frame here, this is where we only look for trading confluences like the entry trigger, like the candlestick formation before placing the trade. And so you will see that it's also a level 2. You see this level 2. So if I should mark out that place in particular, this zone here, so that's where I should be expecting a touch at before this market drops this level here. That's why I should be expecting a touch before. So this zone, if it doesn't hold, then remember from the pattern I'm showing you, then this one will hold before it fall. Now at the same time, if you should go to the 1 hour time frame, because this is market, we don't just predict, we react. So I will only react following what I'm seeing currently at the market. So now this is the recent low the market created, now has just created here. So this is the recent one here, the market has just created here. So now if this market retraces from this point or goes to this level, then my TP or I'll be shorting maybe this level here. At this level, at least it marks with a trend line here. So this level here, I'll be going for a short. My first TP will be at this level, second TP would be this level, all at levels. Yeah, let me show you the levels there. So let's mark out the levels. This is a level here, and this is a level. I would prefer this one instead. So this is my overall TP, and my stop loss would be a little bit above this box here. So this should be a good 1:8 risk to reward trade. Yeah, it might take long from this 4 hour time frame. It might take long before it hits TP, but yeah, I'm cool holding the trade for a long period since I know the direction bias of the market now. And again, let me go to the 15 minute and still see if I would see a valid trend line that would still mark as a confluence here to what I'm expecting. So if I should go to the 15 minute, I'll draw a trend line. I try to fit in with what I'm seeing. So you see first touch here, second touch here. So now we are expecting what a third touch to bounce off this level too. You could see it should come to this level now. It's confirming here, so it should bounce off, like do show us, but I wouldn't just enter randomly, but look for a candlestick reaction here, either weak rejection, a doji, a bullish engulfing pattern, yeah, either of those ones. Now let me see, let me add to the conferences. So that's two conferences, one trend line, and this zone F1R. So now let's look for see if there's psychological level at that zone. So clearly there is a psychological level at that zone, yeah. So this is it. That's a psychological level. Boom. So three conferences set already. We have a trend line coming, expecting a third touch from that level. Yeah, this is a zone on it from the bigger time frame, and on a smaller time frame here, the 15 minutes here, we see a retracement before it shoot down. So we are expecting it to move way up to this level before falling down to this point. So remember our shorting positions, then our shorting position would be something like this. Since this is our entry time frame, would be something like this, way above the box. My TP would be this level at the top here. So this is the 1:5 from this day trading pattern. You know, this is 15 minutes. This is a day trading style here. So I'm expecting a push here, then it drops to this level. And at the same time, this is just for the 15-minute time frame. What I'm also seeing. So I don't know when you'll be watching this video, but it's just like a quick forecast like I'm dropping. Now from the bigger time frame here, from the 1 hour, is what I'm also expecting, a bigger one here. So now if the market should retrace from these places and break this level, then I will wait for it to now change. Refresh it. I will wait for it now to change this level here. You should break it, change it to, so let me show you something like what I mean. Sorry. So if it should retrace from this level, then it should come break this level. That's when I will see it as a valid trade. Come here, show me a candlestick reaction, then my first TP here, overall TP depending. Let me overall TP should be here, this level here. So but since it's not this is not what, because overall I'll be selling, so I won't enter randomly. So my hands are still crossed, looking, because I only react, I don't predict. So it's either it comes to this level, then drop, my TP will be here. But from the overall, you should see what it means from the bigger time frame. If it should come play around, then it's here, fine. The risk reward is getting bigger and sweeter. So this is what I'm expecting now from this 15-minute time frame. Yeah, so let's see how it plays out. We only react, but at the same time, we're expecting the zones from the bigger time frame. Yeah, the zones from a bigger time frame, because that's where it works best on. So either of the two setup, let's see how it plays out. Let's go back to the 4 hours time frame to see how it looks like. So still same thing. Let's see how it plays. It's still in evolution. Remove it and refresh. So this how it looks like here from the 4 hours time frame. Let me take a screenshot of it. So yeah, I've taken a screenshot of it for future purpose. Let's see how it plays out. So it either it comes here, then shoot down straight up, or it plays around, then come. Remember, we are expecting a touch from this other bigger time frame, this other bigger trend line here. Sorry. So if it plays, end up playing to this level, then what I'll do is just to adjust this my entry here to fit with what I'm expecting here. depending on the candlestick reaction I see at this zone. So remember, there is a psychological level at that point. So this might be a short sell. It might just come straight to a level here before continuing to the upside to hit this overall one. Then we enter for another sell to this one. So not, I don't want to make this video long. Let me just cut it straight up from here. So that's what I'm expecting. It's a quick one. So that's what I'm expecting. And if you are new to this channel, do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, comments, turn on post notifications so as to get notified whenever I drop forex related videos like this. Until then, guys, see you guys on my next video.